Hello travelers, my name is John. Welcome to my Hotel Tips channel.
Today, we're talking about an amazing hotel in Orlando, Florida, one of the world's top destinations for vacation and family fun.
The link to book your stay and get all the details is in the description, or you can simply scan the QR code right here on the screen to go straight to the hotel page.
Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And now, let's get right into it and check everything out.